naka-check-out na tayo. Check-in na tayo peacefully. Guys, yung isa kong luggage, 23 kilos. As in, sobrang sakto. Tapos, yung isa, 21. So, pretty safe naman. Kasi 23 kilos naman per luggage. Let's go! We're going to the lounge. 8:14. Hindi na ako nag-lounge. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung food. So, nandito ako sa Little Flower to just get coffee. So, we're just waiting for my flight. My flight is at 2:20 departure time. 2:05 boarding time. Na-late kami ng flight. Ng board. Dapat 2:05 boarding na kami. 2:20 AM na. And then the flight is 3 hours and 35 minutes. So guys, we made it to Korea. So, layover natin 9 hours. So, ang plan natin today is to meet Pang. Siyempre, tayo yung pupunta sa hotel niya kasi makawala siya. So, nagantay na lang tayo ng bus. Diretso siya dun sa hotel nila Pang. Sinakyan din namin going to our hotel. Pero naglakad lang kami ng onte. Pero ito kasi sakto sa labas ng hotel nila Pang. It's gonna be our last kita before the year ends. Kasi next year ko na siya makikita. Hindi mo dadalhin yan. Nilalak ko na. I know! We're in Korea again! Korea again! Taray naman, pinuntahan pa kita sa Seoul para lang mag-lunch.
Ang itinerary natin today is kakain ng chicken, then coffee after, tapos uwi ka na.
Namin yung cake na ina na.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Nakadala niya tayo from last time. Hindi yung bilang sa akin dito. Kamang bagyo! Ano ba? Yung buhok mo?
Guys, ito yung lagi namin in-order dito. Yung no spicy.
Dahil sarado pa yung chicken. Ano mo masarap?
Please. Oh, sige. Hindi ko card. Black na tayo.
Okay.
Ta-da! So our next agenda is buy kopya! Kopya! Dinala mo ba yung mga teammates mo dito? Huh? Kala ko ba naging local tour guide ka?
Eh, sa mga pasikot-sikot lang.
Can I get winter latte?
Winter latte.
Hot, please. And oat milk, please. And then oat latte also. Bye-bye! Stay over with you. See you next year.
See you next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next year. Nasa airport na ako ulit. 9 hours of layover and I'm back at Incheon Airport. Happy that I got to see my mom before I leave and go back home. Time check, it's 2:05 and my flight's at 4:10. Tayo naghanap ng shower room at naligo dahil lumabas tayo ng airport. Yung flight natin will be 10 hours. So, bumili ako ng caramel macchiato sa Krispy Kreme. So, I got some donuts. Ang binili kong perfume sa Tambourines, nag-regret ako kasi binili ko lang perfume balm. So, now I actually got the perfume. Yan. Yung balm ko. So, I got Lotus donut. So, tingnan natin kung yummers. See you later.